What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel, Ham Fam. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe. It really means a lot. Today, we're doing another video today, and we are about to attempt to wrap. I don't know how much I have. I bought a little roll for the emblem not too long ago, but we're gonna attempt to wrap this right here. I'm gonna sand this down a little bit, wrap that, and hopefully, if I can, wrap the tailgate handle, because I meant to get that paint matched, but forgot to take it off for them. And then, if we have enough, we're gonna wrap the whole front bumper. Try that out. See how that looks. But without further ado, roll the intro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Okay, so first step, Ham Fam, is to sand this. So we're gonna get the orbital sander and we're just gonna sand away just a little light bit on it. And then we're gonna take the wrap and then we're gonna wrap it. So let's try that.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
Alright, so it's not long enough. So we're gonna have to do what we gotta do. So I'm about to do this, get it measured out kinda, and then cut it off and then just overlap it. That's that side, and then we have enough left over to do this side.
What's up? Today, doing this all.
Shouldn't be too much, so I can do that much.
Bye.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off. Take it off like that. Put it on there. Just like so. I don't know if this is gonna reach.
Alright guys, what's up? Today, doing this all. This is all.
Alright, fabric. Epic fail, so for video purposes only, we're gonna wrap the taillights with some vinyl. This is some pretty shitty vinyl. Oracle off Amazon. Trash. Definitely will be getting 3M for my roof and pillars. For video purposes only though. We're gonna do the whole reflector side right here. You know? So we're gonna line it up right there with the edge of that. That dog won't shut up. I think something's wrong. I'm no doctor. I'm no dog doctor, but I think something's wrong.
They're holding it.
They're what?
Is that a puppy?
I don't know. Where?
It's a puppy.
I'm not going to get out.
Where's everything?
All that. Okay, that's good. See? Alright, once you got this terrible ass vinyl on, I mean this is laid like crap. It's not the applicator's fault either, trust me. Trust me. Alright, once you got that on, you're just gonna cut around. Cut around that. Oh yeah. Okay, then heat gun one more time. You're gonna go around the edges.
Give me a bullet.
Now, you're gonna get far away. You know?
Hey, hey.
My tailgate's broken a little bit. But yeah, that's we're gonna do the other side for video purposes only. And then I'll get with you as soon as we do that side. Because this is $10 vinyl versus truck. Well, there you go, folks. That does it. $10 vinyl. Looks like crap. Better rip it off. Honestly, if it was done right, it wouldn't look bad. I feel like. But this is terrible vinyl, so it does look bad. But it's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. And y'all have a great day. See you next time.
Lights bleed, fuck your wifey. I don't got no problems, I'm 119. Yeah, she biting cause she love I'm piping. Sibling, cold drink, my 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 drink. I stay fresh, I ain't never outdated. Keep it real, all these niggas be hating. They gon' laugh when I tell them I made it. Money long, but they money be faded. Rondo, I'm back to the basics. Moving fast cause I don't got no patience. I'm a doctor, I'm fucking no patience. In her mouth, she deliver my baby. All these fluids gon' have us sedated. Smoking pressure, I get elevated. Moving slow like I work for the matrix. By my money, I'm getting impatient. Can't wait to say I made it. Baby, I'm getting impatient. Bleed your hair, my baby. Blue dreams, I'm taking. Fuck your wifey. I don't got no problems, I'm 119. Yeah, she biting cause she love I'm piping. Sibling, cold drink, my 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 drink. Fuck nigga wanna change up, when he gets a little change up. You a lame for the fame, cuz killing shit, I'm dangerous. Paint a face like a painter, drop deep like an anchor. silly, don't